So to strike through text in Google Docs, select the text first, and with the text selected, go to Format, click on that, and then under Format, you should see Text, and then under Text, you should see the option Strike Through. So you can click on that, and that's going to strike through the selected part of the document. Now, of course, you can do this for an entire document if you need to. Just select the entire document and follow the same steps. Now, there's also a keyboard shortcut for this. So once again, select text. And then for Windows users, the keyboard shortcut is Alt, Shift, and 5. So press Alt, Shift, 5. That's going to strike through the text. And if you press Alt, Shift, 5 again, it's going to remove the strike through. So it's literally that simple. Now for Mac users, the shortcut is Command Shift X. After selecting the part of the document you want to strike through, press Command Shift X. That's going to strike through your document. Now to remove a strike through, once again, just select and then follow the exact same steps. So either the keyboard shortcut, or you can go to Format, Text, Strike Through, click on that, and that's going to remove the strike through. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.